Welcome to part 8 of this simple sign up and login example. So in this part I have to complete the change password portion. If I click over here, so this displays an error, object not found. That means this file talking about change dash password file does not exist. So I have to create this file now. Let me create a new file over here. Let me save it as change dash password.php, and this file will contain my form, the change password form, and the form I'm going to use is the one I use for sign up. I think I should use the one I use for login, this one. It would be perfect. Actually I have to copy the entire piece of code, not entire but from line number 10 to line number 25. And the heading is going to be change password, and the action is going to be change user password dot php. The method is post. Username is required over here, and this time it's not going to be the visible input field. This time it's gonna be hidden input field, because I don't want to show my username to the user. It will stay hidden, and once the form is submitted, the hidden input field, the data in it will automatically be submitted also. And the value is going to be echo. It's not post but session. I'm going to put username also into the session array. Let me go back over here and username is going to be equal to the username that's the variable containing at the moment. And on the form page I have to create two of the other input fields as well. The first one is going to be the old password, then new password, then confirm new password, and the placeholders will be old password, new password, confirm new password. Perfect. And change password. This time we do not need this piece of code. I'm going to delete this. Save. Let's go back and check this out into the browser. Yeah, perfect. This is what I wanted, and if I press the change password button, again you can see object not found. So I have to go ahead and create this file change dash user password. change user password, and I'm going to copy this piece of code and paste it over here. I have to delete this code. This is not required. This time, if any of the field is missing, then the error message will be displayed onto the change password page. All fields mandatory. And this time the old password is equal to old password, new password is equal to new password, and the last one is going to be confirm new password. If old password is not equals to empty, and new password is not equal to empty, and confirm new password is not equal to empty. So I'm gonna write some more if else conditions over here. The first condition is going to be if new password is not equals to confirm new password. What I mean to say is the new as well as the confirm new password must be matched. In this case, the error message will be generated, and this time the error message is going to be mismatched. Else if, now I have to check if the old password was correct. So in this case I have to connect with database. And if I go back to db.php, so here you can see I have already created two of the functions. The first one is correct password, and the second one is change password. The is correct password will check if this old password was correct one. I'm going to copy this function. I'm going back to change that password, change dash user password page, and this is going to return some status. username and old password. I'm gonna pass the old password over here. If status is equal to true and I'm going to copy this piece of code in this case. I'm going to use the change password function. Let me copy the line. Let me go back. If status was equal to true, that means the password has been changed successfully. And I'm going to paste this line of code. Password changed successfully, and this time the ID is going to be success, because the success message will be displayed into the green color and this ID will be updated dynamically. Unable to change password. If something goes wrong, so in that case this error message will be displayed to the user. I think it's enough over here and the code is ready to use. Let me go back and let me log in once again. So I'm logged in successfully. Change password. So at the moment you can see I'm using the username Asad and my password is 123. I'm going to change this to 111 instead of 123. What I mean to say is the old password is 123, and if I change this password it will be changed to 111 instead of 123. So let's go back. Let me give it some incorrect old password. One else condition is missing over here. Again it's going to be the else if condition. If the status is going to be equal to false, in this case the error message should be incorrect old password. Perfect. Let me go back and refresh this page one more time. The old password is 111. That's incorrect at the moment. 123 123. change password, incorrect old password. Perfect. Now let me give it the new password 111, and the new password is 123, and the confirmed new password is 321. Again, the error message should be displayed that the new password as well as the confirmed new password are mismatched. Error. And let me check this out, why it's just showing the error over here. New and alright, so let's try this one more time. 111 321, sorry, 123 111 321. New and confirm new passwords are mismatched. Perfect. That's wonderful. So if I change the current password, and my current password is 123, the new password is 111, and the confirmed new password is also 111. So if I change the password, unable to change the password. Let me go back. Change password function. I think the password has been successfully updated. I just made a mistake over here. No, not yet. Right, so let me check it over here. Username, new password. Let me go back over here. And the new password is, if the password is successfully changed, this will return true, otherwise false. So let me check the status, echo. Let me remove this piece of code. 123 111 111. Undefined variable connection status on line 23. Yes, actually I misspelled it over here. It should be connection status. So as I'm using connection statu at the top, so I'm gonna keep continue with that. All right, so let's go back and let's try this one more time. This time the old password is 123, new is 111, and then confirm new is also 111. Perfect. Let's see if the password has been changed successfully. Yes, here you can see the password has been changed successfully. So let's go back and into my codes. Let me remove this exit keyword as well as the echo. So let's try this one more time. It's going to be our final attempt. Now the old password is 111 and the new password is going to be 1234, and the confirm new password is going to be 1234. If I change the password changed successfully. Great. Here you can see the password is 1234. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel.